Hello guys, once again welcome to my channel Path with Sank. It's time to learn a new attack today. In one of my previous video, I showed you my bow witch strategy. Although I love bow witch, there are some flaws to it, which I'll overcome in today's video. Hobo witch or enhanced bow witch is what I like to call it. We saw that in bow witch sometimes our giants got stuck and all the defenses were not taken out. Therefore, I'll fill that gap in this video by using some hogs or a P.E.K.K.A if required. So without any further ado, let's get started with our attack. I got 2 stars by the TS13. Nice. This base has many compartments and looks tough with normal bow witch. I have a super warbreaker with me in this attack. They are stronger than our normal warbreakers. Now let's see if we can triple this base with our new strategy. I'll use a archer over here. It is always a good practice to start your attack like this. It saves some time at the end. Next comes funneling. Wizard over here and a P.E.K.K.A a bit inside so that it goes inside the base and not outside the walls. Now some giants, then remaining witches and some ballers behind them. We will aim our wall breaker on the multi-inferno. Use the wall breaker and the remaining giants you have. Make sure your heroes go inside as well. Looking good. Use heal spells now. Oops. Our queen is going outside. Now who is going to take out the E-track? Let's use our poison spell here. Use heal spells and raise spells in the core. Now the main part of this attack, the hogs. Use your hogs where the defenses are left out. You need to save at least one heal spell for them. Try and keep your hogs together if possible. Use heal spells on them if they are getting damaged heavily or if a giant bomb appears. Use the king ability now. I'll use my last heal spell here. The giant bombs are dangerous. Looking good. Use remaining troops wherever needed. 3 stars. The hogs help to clear out some defenses. Many of our troops are still alive and the base is down now. A complex design, yet we were able to get 3 stars on this base. Let's see what we have next. This base is fully maxed if I'm not wrong, except for some walls. Let's start with our attack. I'm using the siege barracks in this attack, which will get me a free P.E.K.K.A and some wizards with it. Because using wall breaker on this base could have been a tedious task, as the town hall is placed outside. We will clean up for proper funneling and then start with our attack. Giants first as always, then witches, ballers and heroes. You got to be quick with your fingers though. Use the wall breaker on the wall and heal the troops. Now use some hogs on this side to take down the single inferno. Heal them. Nice. The eagle artillery is down. Also, the base looks pretty much wiped out. I'll use the last heal on the hogs. Oh no, the Teslas took our hogs towards them. And I placed our heal spell a bit inside. I guess they are about to die. Let's see what happens now. We have plenty of skeletons though. Let's use our giant here. The mortar will attract the giant and keep the skeleton safe for a while. Nice, looks like a 3-star attack. Use your King's ability now. The single Inferno is not much of a trouble if it is left out at the end or when there are plenty of skeletons left. Now let's see the next base, a pretty spreaded layout. This base has single targeted infernos and which is why hogs can take them out easily. I also have 2 loons in this attack to make a path for our hogs, hope it works though. We will use giants on this wizard tower and point our wall breaker on the eagle artillery. I'll use a minion over here and not an archer because a mortar is placed right outside and it can take out our archer pretty easily. Then the giants here and the wall breakers behind them. Do a bit of a funneling so that everyone goes inside the base. Stupid king went outside. No worries. Our queen, the warden and everyone else is going inside the base. Let's use our poison spell on this electro dragon and one of the heal spells now. Let's use the balloons over here so that the hogs go on the inferno. But I guess the loons are a bit slower than the hogs. At last, now they are attacking the inferno. I'll use a heal spell a bit forward so that it is not wasted. I'll use another heal spell here as only one of my hogs is remaining, but they took down the inferno with them. Wow, so many troops alive. Let's use our raid spell now. This base is down as well. Easy 3 stars. Let's end our battle right now. 99% 1 star. No, you never do that. Just kidding. Now that you know how to use this attack, you may also try it out in your wars. It's similar to Bowwitch, but by using hogs, the offensive strength of your attack increases. Use hogs mainly on the bases where the inferno is set to single target, and use at least one heal spell on them. Hope you like this strategy. Drop down your views in the comment section below. Also, do like and share my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye. Thank you.